Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix dimension text size too small or too big using the easy method. This is a great way to adjust your reading labels on your current setup session so your measurement numbers fit perfectly next to your drawing shapes. Step 1. Open the main Dimension Style Manager. The first step is to type a basic setup letter into your software typing row to bring up the hidden configuration control panel where all your measurement look rules are stored. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen. Type the single letter D on your keyboard and press the Enter key. Watch for a large settings window labeled Dimension Style Manager to pop up directly in the middle of your monitor screen view. Because you cannot fix your broken text sizes without opening the central configuration box first. You have to open this preference manager so you can identify the exact style rule name that is causing your numbers to look wrong. Without this step, trying to resize every single number text block by hand on your drawing sheet will take forever. Step 2. Enter the Modify Settings page for your active style. Next, you need to select the specific style you are using from the list and open the deeper adjustment rows so you can fix the background scaling rules. Look at the left side list inside the open panel, click your mouse on your active style name to highlight it, and then click the button on the right side that says Modify once. Watch for a new sub-panel filled with multiple top rows and tabs to appear right on your screen. Because it takes you past the surface list and lets you change the root instructions inside the computer memory card. By clicking Modify, you tell the program engine that you want to rewrite the height rules for every single measurement line attached to this style name. It ensures you can change everything across your whole file all at once. Step 3. Adjust the overall scale multiplier value. Now you need to move to the specific layout control tab that lets you scale up or down the entire measurement package, including the text, arrows, and gaps with a single number entry. Click on the top tab labeled Fit, locate the circle option row that says Use Overall Scale of, click inside the small number box next to it and change the value. If your text is way too small, change the number from 1 to a larger value like 10 or 50. If your text is way too giant, change it to a smaller fractional number like 0.5 or 0.1. Because this single box acts as a master magnifying glass for your measurement markers, instead of just changing the word font height alone, adjusting this global scale row keeps your arrow shapes and extension lines perfectly balanced with your text numbers. It is the key step to getting the right output because it resizes the entire label bundle evenly flat against your background canvas. And that's it. To fix dimension text size too small or too big, you must first type D and press Enter to open your Style Manager panel. Then you highlight your active style name and click Modify to open up your options window on your screen canvas rows. Next, you move over to the Fit tab and change the overall scale number to a larger or smaller value to balance your layout look. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.